Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection over here, big commercial building inspection, but as you can see, this is a big pop-up building here, and we did other videos in regards to this, which you can see out there on YouTube also. But I just wanted to share with you some of what this looks like. So here are some of the slabs right here, and so these are already precast, meaning they're already been poured, and of course this one over here has got a little bit of damage, but they fixed some of this stuff up. But I wanted to share with you kind of a little bit here, and you can see we're already getting ready for it right in here. They already got the footings poured for it, got the foundation. So they set down inside of here. You can see my brackets right here that they actually will tie that to. Ain't that cool? See how they got that all done? And so they come back around here, and then that's how it sets. So they take these big, and then you see my rack brace right here, and which you can see that how they've used that inside of the buildings there. See that? And so that's what we're looking for when we're taking a look. But now this one right here has already been, we don't do code inspections, so the city's already done that. My job is to make sure that they're actually making it level and plumb, making sure that it's square within industrial parameters. But this is looking good. I just wanted to share with you some of the things we're seeing and just how cool this big old pop-up building system is. Well, anyway folks, thank you for watching our videos, and follow us on YouTube, Rumble, Instagram. We're out there all over the place. Hit like and subscribe and share us with your friends. We would love, hey, the more people get to see this, the more people get helped, and it just helps everybody. Thanks folks, have a great day. Galloway Building Services.